السلام عليكم أخي.
وعليكم السلام أخي.
How are you?
I'm good, brother. How are you?
Alhamdulillah,
How's fasting going?
Alhamdulillah, a bit hungry.
That's good, yeah?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah.
I like your thobe, mashallah. I like the white thobe.
Thank you. I'm trying to follow the sunnah.
That's it. That's it. You keeping up reading the Quran? Everything
Yeah,
good?
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Brother, we have to. It's Salah.
Salah time, yeah? How long we got left? Got 10 minutes left.
10, 20 minutes.
You want to leave now or? The mosque is around 20 minutes away.
I know, that's the thing.
Look at these non-Muslims. No baggy jeans,
yeah.
hoodies.
The black hoodies, astaghfirullah.
Astaghfirullah, brother.
You have to follow the sunnah, brother. Yani.
Inshallah. That's it.
That guy, do you know him?
I'm not too sure, no. He's walking towards it. Come.
Hey, how you doing, man? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm just looking for like a quiet, secluded area around this park. Do you know anywhere I can go? Just like a private area. Do you guys know anywhere in the park where I can go? Just anywhere private?
Yeah. Just go over there.
Where no one will see me.
Yeah.
Private area.
Go near the tree.
Yeah?
Yeah, you could go near the tree.
Alright, thanks a lot, guys.
What do you think he's going to do there?
Smoke or something?
I'm not too sure about this guy.
Look like a drug dealer.
I don't know what he's going to do.
Astaghfirullah.
Why is he putting his jacket down? What is he doing?
He's praying. Let's join him, bro.
Nah, brother. I'm not going to join him.
He's praying. Asr, we have to pray with him.
No. I'm not following this kuffar. He's not even wearing the sunnah.
He's a Muslim.
Doesn't matter. No, forget that.
Astaghfirullah, I'm going.
Allahu Akbar.